Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall, here to take you through today's market action. The major averages ended higher, with Russell leading the way, up 1%. The Nasdaq 100 closed up 0.2%. The Dow and the S&P 500 closed up nearly 0.1%. Taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, real estate and consumer discretionary led the way, closing above 0.9%, followed by communications closing at nearly 0.8% higher. Meantime, the biggest loser was consumer staples, closing down 0.5%. Now let's take a look at some of the biggest stories of the day. Shares of Walgreens slumped some 22%, finishing at the lowest level since 1997 following the drugstore chain's lackluster earnings report. The Illinois-based company cut its profit forecast for fiscal 2024 and announced plans to close a significant number of underperforming stores in the U.S. The company expects the challenges to continue into fiscal 2025 and more locations may be on the chopping block in the future. Shares of Levi skidded despite better than expected EPS and higher dividend. The popular jeans manufacturer fell short of sales estimates and kept guidance steady amid a bid to focus on direct-to-consumer channels. Now, Levi's has seen sluggish demand for its wholesale and Dockers categories over the past quarter. Finally, Nike turned in its quarterly report card after the bell. The athletic apparel maker turned in mixed numbers. Adjusted EPS was $1.01, which beat expectations, but sales came up short at $12.61 billion. Nike CFO stated these results highlighted challenges faced in fiscal 2024. The company has increasingly faced stiff competition from On and Hoka. Let's look at what to watch for Friday. Keep a lookout for PCE. That's the Fed's key inflation gauge, set to release at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, followed by consumer sentiment and Chicago PMI data. On top of that, a handful of Fed speakers are expected to speak, including Thomas Barkin, Michelle Bowman, and Mary Daly. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.